back to What's Mother's Ranch. I'm Chase, and I'm here with Tyler. It's nice to meet you. Can you introduce yourself at the camera?
I'm Tyler Tinker with Back 40 Bales and Bins, and this is my daughter Kinsley, and it's a privilege to be here with you guys today. Very grateful. So,
And if it's all right, I'd like to interview you for just a little bit to figure out what's inside these bins and what's about it. I was curious what these are made out of.
so it's a hard plastic. They have a mold. The plastic, the resin is dumped in and formed into this bin.
Okay. And where are these made at?
Canada,
Okay.
Vaughan, Saskatchewan.
Okay. And well, where do you guys ship all to if you're out of Canada?
I'm the only dealer in the U.S. as of now, and we ship to everywhere in Canada, the United States, and to Australia. Is all the places we've shipped to thus far.
Okay. And do you offer a warranty on this product?
Yep. So we do a 1-year manufacturer warranty for any manufacturer defects.
Okay. All right. And another thing, I was curious why these are called 4840s.
Okay, so the first number, the 48, is the cubic measurement of the actual bin itself, and then the 40 is how many bushel it holds.
Okay. And I noticed these were 3-piece, so can you kind of explain what's going on with the base and how everything works around here?
Yep, so this lid actually completely comes off, as you can see over here. You can see this whole lid. And then the bin itself has a slide on the bottom of it. You can adjust to whatever you want your speed to be for your drain, for mixing and all that. And then it has a locking mechanism on it as well. So it locks so it can't just vibrate open if you're running down the road.
All right, nice and secure. I appreciate it. I think that's everything.
Sounds good.
Appreciate you coming out here for us and
Yeah.
delivering.
Well, thank you for the opportunity.